Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Medical Class 11. Begin by thoroughly understanding your syllabus and identifying high-weightage topics. Prioritize conceptual clarity over simply memorizing facts, as this builds a stronger foundation for future medical studies. Develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject. Consistency is key, so stick to your plan as much as possible to ensure steady progress and avoid last-minute cramming. To master your studies, actively recall information by quizzing yourself without notes. This strengthens memory retention significantly. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts are incredibly helpful for understanding complex biological and chemical processes. Make it a habit to solve a good number of practice questions and previous year papers. This not only tests your knowledge, but also familiarizes you with exam patterns and common question types, boosting your confidence. Effective time management is crucial. Ensure you allocate ample time for regular revision of all subjects, not just new material. Your NCERT textbooks should be your primary and most important study resource. Master them completely. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers or knowledgeable peers whenever you encounter difficult concepts. Addressing doubts promptly prevents them from accumulating and hindering your overall understanding. Consistent practice and review are non-negotiable. Regularly revisit your weak areas, dedicating extra effort to transform them into strengths. Remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Adequate sleep, nutritious food, and short breaks are vital for sustained focus and preventing burnout. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, stay positive, and you'll achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.